this is shaping up to be another beautiful day here in Manila. And we're having kind of a busy day today, running around doing some things. So we're on our way now to have some brunch here in Legazpi village. The sun is out, there's barely a cloud in the sky. It seems to be like a pretty dry, rainy season so far. But this is also a good reason to stay here in the shade. So a bunch of new places open up here on this overpass. And we're just going to be looking for some nice new place to eat where we haven't been before. The Ayala Exchange North is booming. They have so many new places here. Let's go check it out. Hi, good morning. Wow, everything here has a new smell just after being built recently. What did you have in mind? Where do you think we should eat?
Remember that restaurant inside Makati Med is really so good, right?
Oh yeah, the diner?
It's not a diner.
It's kind of a diner.
Like a restaurant.
It's a restaurant
It's
diner.
a Filipino restaurant.
Okay.
With a Filipino menu. They have a location here too.
Going back in here again?
Yeah, I know.
Feels like deja vu. Let's try this again.
Oh, maybe there's a third floor.
Oh yeah, there is.
Oh yeah, there. Then we should go upstairs.
Okay, let's see what's on the third level here.
Options upstairs too.
Okay.
Yay! Maybe you should show this other side.
Yeah, show the other side this time. Okay.
Okay, no more.
No more. And that's it. No more. Let's check out the third level here.
No, you stay there.
I guess we're gonna have to go back down again.
Oh my god!
So what are we doing?
We're gonna eat here.
Floating island?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been here before actually, but we had a really good experience and it's not too crowded. All the other places we're looking at, they have huge lines, so we wanted to skip that and just get straight to the food. So yeah, let's get this table here. Not enough space. I remember the food here was really good. Looking forward to having that again. So I've been trying to get Khrys to have some fish with me because I was really in the mood for some bangus after the awesome experience that I had. And yes, of course, why not? Sonia's Garden Kitchen really got me to be a believer in liking bangus. But somebody here doesn't want to have it. Yeah, it's okay. Maybe next time. I'm really big on smells from restaurants, and this place has very, very appetizing smells, aromas coming out of it. That's one of the things I like about it. Besides the atmosphere and the decorations, the food is great, of course, that's number one, but the overall ambience together with the smell and the lighting and just everything about it is really enjoyable over here. And another really awesome thing about this place is that the meals here are very highly customizable. So I asked for my pancit Maria with less shrimp and more pork, and that's exactly what I got. Instead they gave me more chicken to compensate. And yeah, wow, damn, that's really steamy. And the fresh lumpia here looks so good. We had it here before, and it was really, really delicious. Some of the best lumpia we've ever had. And I bet that this is going to be delicious also. Let's see. It looks amazing. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. Oh wow, this is so good. I was expecting some nice, delicious flavor, but wow. Hey, what are you doing with that? It's really delicious. Yeah, what do you think? See, you're just exaggerating. I was actually for real. It's really delicious, guys. And let me try your lumpia now. Oh, so good. nutty. So set up. It's really, really delicious. I think we'll be coming back here yet again sometime because it's just amazing. Well, the food was not surprisingly great, just as I expected. And it also looks like we came here just at the perfect time because right now, look what's going on. Look at this line that's appearing here just outside the restaurant. So, all the places here seem to be very, very popular. It's really happening here today. We're heading back home now to do a little bit more work. And then I'm going to be preparing for another Monopoly night today. Getting together with some people from a social group, and we're going to be playing Monopoly at a board game location somewhere in Makati. So stay tuned for that. So this is me right after the haircut. Ooyy Alberto here is the man. This is definitely not the last. So I'm going to be back here again in maybe a couple of months to look out for Ooyy Alberto to give me another haircut. Well, I just arrived at the Circuit Mall, now looking for the game space, but and now I'm wondering, why is it that I've never been here before? This place looks really amazing actually. It's wow, it's actually, I would say, very reminiscent of, it's very reminiscent, I would say, of BGC High Street in BGC. So, this is really beautiful for anybody who hasn't been here yet. And this place is accessible. I would say definitely give it a go. Looks very, very trendy, beautiful, clean, and with a lot of very cool places to visit. Oh wow, another cool scooter. Way more powerful than mine though. Nice scooter. This is the Xiaomi.
Xiaomi, it's
Yeah.
a nice scooter.
Yeah, I really love it. You know, good thing I like about it is that it's very transportable.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Dmitry.
Dmitry, hi.
I'm sorry, what's your name? Hi Beck, nice to meet you.
Nice camera.
Thanks, it's a GoPro Hero 7.
GoPro.
Yeah, I do basically all my vlogging with it.
Really?
So yeah, since I'm living here in Manila now, I feel like this is part of my community, and I'd like to be, you know, really be part of it and then to be integrated. So, you know, that's what I do, different things.
Alright, so nice meeting you, Dmitry.
Thank you. Alright, take care then.
Alright,
Bye-bye. That was cool, huh? You never know who you're gonna meet when you're just walking through a place like this. So this is pretty sweet. They have golf carts over here. Nice. I love riding golf carts. Haven't had a chance to do that in a while. Here's Onboard. Here we are. Maybe I have a chance to get something to eat first, because nobody's here yet. This is a pretty cool spot. I've actually never been to a game space like this before. Some new games that I haven't seen before. For now though, this is going to be a Monopoly night, so hopefully I'll find one here. If not, I'll just have to use my own. I'll definitely be interested in getting some over here, by recommendation of course, because I have no idea what any of them are. Alright, so my food is here, and I don't want to miss out on that while it's hot.
20 minutes later.
I cannot see myself.
That's fine,
I see you.
yeah.
My name is Tarzan, and I met this pretty group from Manila Expat place. And we came to play this Monopoly game, which I know nothing about at all, but we'll see how it goes after a couple of drinks. Everything will be fine. I came from Egypt, and I'm here for 1 month only, so yeah, that's it so far.
Hello guys, my name is Lee. I'm from Vietnam, and this is the first time I play this game. I don't know the rules, just focus my friend, and nice to meet you guys.
Okay, so my name is Mai. I'm from Vietnam, so it's the first time I play Monopoly ever. But I had a friend, he said that this game is so good, and I accidentally see Dima posted on Facebook, so I want to come and enjoy the game. So I hope that I will like the game, so I can come here and play like multiple times.
Cool. So almost everybody's here. We're actually waiting for one more person, and she's going to be here very soon. And we're going to have a nice group of 6 players.
A few moments later.
Hello, I'm Carol, and I just found out this kind of group who's organizing a little bit of games to everybody, especially if you wanted to see one person, and I think it's fun, so I just decided to join. So I'm trying to refresh my memory regarding the Monopoly game. See you guys. Bye.
Now, since you came a little late, you have only 2 choices for game piece. So we had a little change of plans here. Instead of continuing with that Monopoly box, we were just missing too many pieces. It was very cheaply made, and I didn't want to have that kind of experience here tonight. So decided to bring out my old box, my original 25-year-old game that I got back when I was 14 years old for my birthday. And I still have the same game board. I've used it so many times over the years, but I'm still enjoying playing it once in a while, especially when I can get a good crowd together. We have one more late addition into the game. Thank you. You might have seen her before. My wife, Khrys. She came to join. She's a banker now. She took over the duties as a banker from me, so I could just sit back and play. Now we have 7 people, but she's like an NPC, a non-playable character. The game is getting to be really fun. Most of the properties have already been purchased. We're just looking to start buying up buildings soon.
Stealing my money. Stealing my money.
Really loud place here, but it's fun, rowdy crowd. We're having a really good time over here. Wow, the game is really heating up.
This is nonsense, everybody. Is it nonsense? I'm gonna go to police. I'm gonna call the cops.
Because you left me. But you left me. Okay. We go to his car.
The less experienced the players, the more fun the game turns out to be. Most of these people here have never played Monopoly before,
You have so much
and that's
money.
what's making it the most fun. The ladies across the table over here are doing really well.
Yeah? And you are in jail. And you are in jail.
Well, looks like we have the first loser of the night, and that person is me. These ladies here are completely bankrupted me. I'm the first victim of the Monopoly game. And now we have a second bankruptcy happening over here.
Blue chips are still on the market.
Oh my god.
Wow, this is the most expensive.
Yeah, I give it up.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Money just changing hands back and forth over here.
Okay, now
We had 2 people already that won the free parking jackpot, and that was a lot of money over there.
Get my money.
It really accumulated a lot over the course of the game.
I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that.
Third bankruptcy happening.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. I really can't believe it.
How can you win for 8,000?
And then at the same time, we have somebody who landed on the free parking twice. Oh, we have more people joining us here. A little bit too late to get into the game, but our company is still fun. That's crazy. She has over $8,000 in cash.
Oh, the ship song.
The ship song, though. No more ship. And we have yet another loser.
Contact Vietnamese embassy. I need to go home. I need to go home.
No.
And then there were 2.
I'm the winner.
We have another loser. Well, actually,
I'm not. I didn't lose. I got tired. And I want to join the people outside. Literally play by herself alone. We have
6,000.
Vietnamese mafia. She stole all the money, all the properties. She stole the food. She stole everything.
So now you know what money can do, right? It's ruin friendship. I thought we were friends. I thought we had connection. I'm sad.
Seems like it was a pretty fun game. So the game is over, I guess.
Let's take a photo.
Well, that's the end of our Monopoly night experience. Everybody's happy. Everybody had a good time. And now we're just waiting for a car to go back home and turn in for the night. So tune in next time for another episode of The Time Lapse Traveler.